This is Hugh from Transtech. We have the. I would like to introduce the mass hot model from us. We call it the Carry 2 Eco, which is the extremely low power consumption. It was just giving you something like 200 watt per square meter with 800 nit. So this will reduce the emission. So this is very it's featuring with the common cathode design and the flip chip LED and use more advanced driver chip. Yeah, and giving the result is very good the image quality and very low the power consumption and also the excellent uh, image quality and a long lifespan. Yeah, and we reduce the demand of the power. We can saving a lot of money for the energy. Yeah, and also for the power construction. Yeah, for example, if your meeting room would like to install a large screen, you can just use the existing power plug. You don't need to have any like extra power requirement for that. Thank you. Yeah, that's all from us.